ECDL Advanced, Access, Lesson 15, Using Count within Queries. In the last lesson, Lesson 14, we discussed using the sum feature within queries. During that lesson, we were in the process of creating a query, and it's from there that we're going to carry on this lesson. So if we make sure that we've switched back to Design View and we've left the query open for this particular lesson now. Just to let you know, the total row, it can be removed by clicking the Totals button again. Okay, so let's discuss count. The count calculation is another summary calculation, which counts how many entries in a query have a value in a particular field, and that includes duplicate values. It does not count null entries, in other words, empty fields. Okay, so we've got the query from the previous lesson. We're going to change the total box for the price field from sum to count. Okay, let's run the query. The answer table now shows a count of how many prices, and therefore how many premises, are in each location group. Now, as we've been in this example, do take care when choosing which field to use in the count. If any records on the table didn't have an entry in the price field, they wouldn't have been included in the count. Okay, let's switch back to the design view. Select the location column and then delete it. Right-click, cut. Now let's run the query again. All records that have a price are counted and a single value is displayed. Okay, let's switch back to Design View. And now let's delete the price column. So click right on the top so the cursor changes to a black down arrow. Left click, right click, and then cut. We'll now leave the empty query open, and we'll continue with this in the next lesson when we discuss average values. Okay, I look forward to seeing you then.